Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 28, 2022, 1-star Sudoku, 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 3, 7. 5th row and 7th row we have 2. 2 can't come in the cells. 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D on 7th row we have 4. 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 6th row 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 7. 4th grade we have 6. Column D we have 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column I we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 5th row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row and 6th grade only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. Column J, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, 2nd row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th grade we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd grade 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row and 4th row we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 3rd row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column C we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column C, column D we have 5. 2nd row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 2nd row, column F, column G we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. First grade, column G we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. Column G we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. First grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Second row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Ninth row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 8, 9. 10th row and 9th row, we have pair numbers 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column G, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column C, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. Column J, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column I, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column I, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.